Hello, good morning. This is your friend Sakshi Gulia once again back with a new video. So today's video is on honey trap. What is honey trap? Honey trapping is an investigative purpose that uses romantic relationships for monetary gains, for political agendas and interpersonal benefits. For honey trapping, mostly beautiful or attractive people are used so that they can impress you and they can take out your personal information and then use that information against you. So always be very careful to whom you are talking on the phone or laptop or any other medium where you don't know the person behind the screen. Why people do this? It's not always that if you are at a higher post or if you are influential people, then only you are at a risk of honey trapping. Honey trapping can happen with anyone, because once the trappers, once the predators, they'll take your personal information, they'll sell your personal information and will gain money out of it. So always be careful, don't share your personal information. Both men and women fall traps of honey trapping. Younger people are more vulnerable to such cases because the predators very well know how to play with young minds and how to impress them, and they are at a higher risk. So always talk to your friends about such topics. Spread awareness, spread information. This is the only way we can just stop it. And always be very careful when a person is trying to get too personal at the starting, or he is just trying to be over friendly. You can sense it. Your intuition will help in this, and just take a step back. It is one of the most widespread crime nowadays. Why? But it is one of the most widespread crime nowadays. Why? Because people fear losing their reputation. What will happen if my photos or my videos will come out in the society? Or young generation, like, they are scared that their photos or their videos or their information will be sent to their parents. My dear friends, just think what the worst thing can happen if your parents come to know that you are honey trapped. First they'll scold you, but surely they'll help you out. So if you encounter such case, never give money or don't fall for the trap. Just be safe, and the first thing you must do is tell someone who is mature enough to handle this situation around you and register a complaint. Even if you are honey trapped by a fake ID, police can easily trace their IP address and they can catch that person, and they will be charged according to many sections. They'll be charged again IPC 384, IPC 506, which are the laws that protects you against the extortion, blackmailing, fraud, cheating, impersonification. They can also face up to 10 years of imprisonment. So this was all from my side for today. So my dear friends, stay safe and just enjoy the beautiful life, make friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the red button and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.